College can be one of the best times of your life. It can also be one of the most expensive times. In the last 20 years, college tuition has increased 130%, with an average cost of $10,000 per year, and that doesn't even include room and board. And with the average college student racking up $24,000 in student loans, those days of eating ramen in order to save money aren't going away anytime soon. That is, unless you have a plan. Trying to earn decent money while in college can be tough. It's hard to find a place that'll work around your schedule and pay you a good wage. That's where Eris comes in. With a proven system that has worked for hundreds of college students just like you, Eris can help you earn the money you need while still focusing on your studies. And after you graduate, you can take your personal business to the next level and start on a successful career path with Eris. So whether you're looking for a part-time income while you're in school or a full-time opportunity to make some serious bank, Eris has a program to fit your needs. Visit erisorigins.com today to learn more and follow us on our social networks.